It is 4:20 p.m. Wednesday afternoon, August 9th, 2023. Along the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway, Chillicothe Subdivision, also known as the Southern Transcon, Lockport, Illinois, originally the Atchison, Topeka, and the Santa Fe Railway, Lockport, Illinois. That was a westbound unit auto rack train. And this siding serves Grief here at Lockport, Illinois, Greif. They make plastic drums, among many other things. There's probably 12 or more covered hoppers of plastic pellets on the siding. And I was hoping to get the BNSF Railway local freight that comes out of Joliet west of here and switches this siding with a caboose that's still in Santa Fe red livery and no graffiti. On a Saturday afternoon last month in June, I caught the local coming through Lockport with the caboose about 3:30 p.m. But I talked to a representative at Grief here today, and she said the local comes not at a regular time, just on a irregular basis. It could be at nighttime, could be in the morning, could be now, anytime. So, and since 11 a.m. here today, I have seen a total of now 5 movements on this BNSF main line. 3 intermodals, the westbound auto rack train we just saw, and 1 eastbound light engine move. Again, Wednesday afternoon, Lockport, Illinois, August 9th, 2023, over and out.